Hello everyone, this is Gay and welcome to ATKC Home Improvement Show. Do you still remember my video on Galvanized Security Fencing Spikes? This one lah, remember? Where I talk about the basic features, advantages, disadvantages, and why every home should have this fencing spike as primary defense to protect their family, home, and property. This is the new product arrival, stainless steel SUS 304 Security Fencing Spikes. No more rusty spikes. Similar to galvanized, there are two types of stainless steel fencing spikes. This is type 1, a combination of star and V-shaped spikes with a size of 1.25 meter in length, 50 mm in width, 110 mm in height, and a thickness of 2.0 mm. Material grade SUS 304 finishing matte. This is type 2, double row of V-shaped spikes with a size of 1.25 meter in length, 45 mm in width, height of 85 mm, and thickness of 2.0 mm. Material grade SUS 304 finishing matte. Next, I'm going to show you the installation method which are applicable to both the galvanized and stainless steel fencing spikes. For metal and steel fencing, you may consider to weld the fencing spikes directly on top of it. Clean and easy job. Or else, you need to do a little bit of modifications using brackets to tie the fencing spikes. Either way, please ensure work safety. To install the fencing spikes onto the brick wall fencing, you need to have this. This is PJ sleeve anchor or anchor bolt. There are quite a number of holes on the fencing spikes with a diameter of 10 mm. So we need to have at least 4 sets of sleeve anchors, 2 at the end and 2 at the middle to firmly secure it. Let me show you practically. First, you need to mark the drilling holes. Next, start drilling. Oh shit. Insert the sleeve anchor. Tighten it up. Remove the nut. Insert the fencing spike. And tie the nut back. You have to be careful because the V-shaped spikes is very sharp. Okay, you're done here. Do you want to know what are the advantages of using these security wall fencing spikes? Simple and practical design, high durability, no updates, no maintenance fees, zero downtime, and you can even install it by yourself. Thank you for watching my video. Always remember that it is your responsibility to keep your family safe and protected. And I'll see you in my upcoming videos. Bye bye for now.